Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa searching and any day di kan ya we dey ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we ya notification ene sa ne ni said betu me we nye bi atie anase we nye bi ahwe wo GCN page ha Mare amwakwa Boadu NPP ni a okodi NDC party echi ne reason na ne say his excellency na nado danko ekufuado na membu ana obu no enkoyie ma ono Mare no enti na 2020 o campaign de ma his excellency o man peninda da John Dramani Mahama na Mare kire sisi ekura na NDC fo so ni na ndi ni ye enti no ani brebre amba amane amba onsanso aba back to ni roots baby awufi chese NPP ena ade na Mare ena okase ni sema okan na ne se ordinary ato fem ahwe niame bia kame akoye se NDC fo no omo esuro vice president Dr. Alhaji Bawumia omo esuro no na reason ti a Mare ekase NPP fo esuro ora Bawumia nyina ne se o kire se sa expose ya nansen honorable Okudeto ablakwa ede eba out no odwen ho a she doesn't think far, she doesn't think madness kame akoye se Okudeto afade no personal bi say sesien wa be expose say Reverend Kusi Boatin okra two identity na Mare kire say sa two identity na Reverend Kusi Boatin ekura no enkoyie anase empo ehwehwem kakra abededwa no enhyeda enkoyie sa kame akoye se ebia baby etochew anase enyeme bi ekoso a enye but honorable Okudeto ablakwa waba out abeye expose yi odi asem de kra akodnine enomo eyemu investigation enti sisie na mu kasa na de aden sisie wonye oden zi Okudeto ablakwa wonye oden sisi ensem na di ensem akeke na Mare kire se osha kame akoye se NDC fo no esuro Dr. Bawumia enti no omode efa kwan bi so afa enipa oben ne so se ne be ya ometumi ebubu ne pre anase omwe bre na se lempo ne flag bearership position ya anase ne nisuade hu se oba be leader de ama NPP ama yoko no ka enya ambem enti Mare kire se hawa honorable Okudeto ablakwa esi afa semino high ade agine ma sisi NDC fo no kra kokebia na obedi omo atem no sisi yi no onti ase na de omo ye yina de NDC fo ye omo kobo omo fa ha omo ye yina no ni tinzi ni tietie mu yina ne se omo suro Dr. Bawumia ne yenti ensema Mare Boadu ede etudwa.
But then there be a meka sembi say asemo ba Ghana for empe asema ye fifi mu edu echire apply critical thinking. No. A son say a political party. We know he's a thief, but he's a thief. Intene ya fanasa. Me tina say me dream Kusi Boatin, Reverend Kusi Boatin asemi Okudeto diabe. Me dream one of me who say no. This guy, they are up to something. There's an ulterior motive. The ulterior motive, then they say, Womusuro Dr. Bawumia. Therefore, yen picky on Obia or bear Dr. Bawumia, ne yen starting from from that angle. Now, me sure Okudeto ablakwa ye Voltarian. Fifi avikwete ye Voltarian. So I'm asking myself, is there some kululu, some connivance be going on? Is that the angle? I'm person modi adieni free bana. So then, I go on to ask another question. Say, mo message pa anything. Because here was 2023. Government awu opposition awu sebe obi awu ti opposition. Say no kwariam pass when near brace wo ba. By this time, kawu chapters wo abrochire nyina ko wo ma set up, particularly UK chapter. UK chapter. By this time ke jinamu dindin robust. Ni nyina nkonkoda nche no. Yen shede hu asat now 2023. Message titru bia NDC wa catch the Ghana for say and say Debbie. Oh, na no krambe tu nkra de masa mi jemfisa mo bekaya Emma mo UK so-called communicator be free wa hakofa say bebre the next thing I knew, women's organizer is calling me, asking me, say yes, me ma undermine semi jenfi. By the time I may explain assembly to women organizer, we na bisa and say, mami bisa a question. Now, per their narrative actually we have I undermined semi jenfi? Or say me fi wom, obi a frame and now I know what to tell them. Actually, semi jenfi na kasa frame ye di sa same way hun komo. So you see, for me, the long and short of it is that, to me, to the best of my ability, I did everything I could to support the NDC. But I'm not seeing any seriousness be coming from the NDC. And the Chamia war finally, yes, our tribal comments because I thought to myself, yeah, you know, better tribalistic. Yeah, you know, your tribal tendencies were you. Now, why must I come and support you, a Voltairean, compulsory by force? Na miminja akanofuo no wo.
Sponsored the woman who had put in Theo extortion 1, who has put in robbery 2, who has put in Sabe using the national security for personal gains, which is a big offense. They can get the president kicked out of a presidency. You gave that girl tools so that you can bring her wife somewhere and they can marry in Coventry. You thought you were doing that so that NDC UK will say, oh, Mare, Mare, let me tell you, NDC UK only used you. Today, let me tell you the truth. The same thing you feel like you have been used, they used you. And I warned you, Mare. I warned you, say, sad dancing crania, wecha. Now, sorry, I wouldn't to my boy, now, Tia Ghana phone call, I say, young Quabontini, young Coquam, because Mahaman, we know, Marish and ye. Now, Brebeba. Make us a Marish and ye now, Brebeba. And that dear, why bet now, okay. Said the end. Who free MPP mean to Bebe MPP. I'm sorry, they say, Equia don't go here, women organizer, coho. Utie. Uncha we touch them to tone ye. Now we are waka say, ya maudi adebeka samari yan sa. Nene masa dia we ya esi hu say, sa wutu unsu de gujam eto ton wi amari won we na mu bia o. Una asie say Kufuado no ye wo wofa nom. But you were willing to let somebody who is your wofa sabi mitiwe some wofa your president na menya ho hwe kura. The fact some wofa your president na metumi anantis oh president no wofa asini o keke no kura tumi ma wudidi onye smart. The fact say unim president ne keke no sometimes businesses fall on your lap. You are not smart. You know why you are not smart? Because you are all about the amenye din in nani se mesumaba, and that is what fucked you up. NDC UK, the first time they said they were going to do demonstration, they made you promote it for them. When the time came, they were looking for Mare Boadu. You were not there. I had to come and give you fire before you decided that the next one you will go. And also call you and Sanko to assume. Ghana for mun share page no. Na wa wo hwe me muntie. Me kwesi apia kran me tie ma metena social media se me ba be se me ho. E be gu me ho animu ase o. Ntina de bia me kasa asem no. Se me nim ho hwe ya me nka o. I think some of you haven't studied that about me. Once assemba na blogger so bia kram be on teme se me ka bi da adentia me information. Adentia me share mo bobi ebre bi a yedi anniversary say mutie ni ye ebre bi a yedi anniversary me share mo bobi say me kwesi apia de no kura ye friend no kura no ene na me de be ye adwuma. Chairman Drew, you are welcome. And Nadia Maria Mwakwa Boadu Gina say NDC say NDC no nan fofo ene piano ebra Zita Benson Jones Zita Benson ebete term echi udie a opia mu bi begu mu se mu mbe jimi social media na mu fan say MPP for agenda no me kwesi apia menya information ni bi me be wone mo me be ka kire mo na me metiwe de bia me kasa asem we na me da me nyankopon asese kwesi se gere ya ye frɛ ni gere ana mahu na di na matumi aka no kura kwesi medi gere na aka no kura frɛ me kwasi ampa ni nyehwe